Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. It's our first really fancy move. We're going to be doing a spin on 2 feet. So there are multiple ways of getting into or generating the rotational movement. We can start from traveling across the ice. We can start from stationary on the spot. We're going to start with being on the spot. We've already learned about the pivot by the wall way back in our first couple of levels. So we're going to use that principle here. Figure skaters, toe pick in the floor. Hockey skaters, nice flat foot, okay? I'm going to be a figure skater because I don't have my hockey skates on. We're going to bend our knees and we're going to start by pivoting that half a lemon to get ourselves in motion. Then, after half that rotation, we're going to put our foot flat and let the ice take us the rest of the way. Now, very important to notice here that as we're initiating the momentum with this pivot that starts from this half a lemon pivot here that we practiced by the wall. Remember these wall pivots from way back, all right? It starts our momentum. So we get that nice strong push to get us going. And then figure skaters, you're gonna have to remember to take that foot from the toe pick and flatten it down. Hockey skaters, you lucky duckies, you're already on a flat foot. So we get that pivot action and then stand up nicely, evenly on both legs. And notice how the weight is evenly distributed. When we start the pivot, it's much more one-sided due to the push and the slight lean to make everything go round initially. So we start with that slight lean and then we straighten up because spins love to be vertical, all right? So now that we're nice and vertical, we're going to remember that our feet are actually as if they're on a record player. My goodness, I'm really showing my age now. But they're going to be rotating one of them forwards and one of them backwards. I'm setting my feet a little bit wider here so that you can see as we're going that one foot is traveling forwards and one foot is traveling backwards like 2 cars chasing each other around the same roundabout. Always make sure that we keep a nice upright posture. Sometimes when somebody says, give me upright posture, we try too hard. We may even start to bow backwards. If we feel unsteady, we may kink, break different shapes as we're going. If we rocked too far towards a toe or a heel, we're going to find the tower of strength starts to wobble. But a spin works best when we keep our center and the rest of our body really reaching for the sky. So do try soft knees, but a nice vertical posture to get our spin to work its best.
To get a simple feel for rotating, first try walking around on the spot and then standing. In the moment that we bring our feet to stillness, there should be a small amount of leftover rotation. This is a gentle introduction to the sensation of spinning and a sensible point to start. Try each direction. Most people have a favorite rotation direction. See if you can sense yours. Focus on keeping your weight shared equally between both feet as you rotate. Never forgetting good upright posture. Once you feel at home with rotating, add your pivot entry process. The pivot can be executed either in a forward or, as we see here, in a backward motion. The resulting rotation will be exactly the same.